In this video, we will show you how to make this beautiful modern slide in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. First, make 4 duplicate slides. Go to Insert, click on Picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. And cover the entire slide. Click on right button, cut the image. Click on right button, go to Format Background. Click on Picture or Texture field. Insert picture from clipboard. Go to Insert, click on Shapes and select Rectangle. Drag it. Shape outline, make it no outline. Click on Gradient field and here adjust the position and transparency like this. Go to Insert, draw a text box. Write A here. Select and pick a new font for your text. Increase font size. Change the color of your text. Go to Format, align left and align middle. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select Shape, drag it, click on Slide, click on right button, duplicate the slide, select text box and Shape. Go to Format, select Union from Merge Shape. Size 14 cm. Then align middle. Go to Insert, draw a text box, write Agouti here, select and change the color of your text. Select and pick a new font, bold it, make your text a bit bigger. Go to Insert, draw a text box and describe Agouti animal here. Select and center your content. Make your text a bit bigger. Click on Letter, then slide background fill and this will create a cutout through the letter, which means if you reposition it on the slide it will always take the feel of the background image, which is quite a nice effort. Again with a second image, fill it on the complete page. Click on right button, cut the image, picture and texture field and insert picture from clipboard. Go to first slide, copy the gradient shape and text box with little shape and paste it on the slide and change the letter. Let's make this the same example and repeat the same steps. So I will repeat the same process for the other different slides. click on Rotate, select Flip Horizontal. Go to first slide, select this and this, delete it and take the shape outside the slide on the left side. Select first or second slide. Go to Transition, select Morph. Select third and fourth and fifth slide and select Push Transition. Now click on the slideshow and see how good our presentation is looking. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.